Hi, it's Sam with Conde Systems, back again with some profitable products to sell on Etsy that have good search volume and low demand. It's graduation season, so let's try to find some products that we can sell to make some money. I first start with graduation gifts. I think that, gifting is really a big thing around graduation and for Etsy. If you want something unique or personalized, especially a gift, Etsy's the place to shop. Put in graduation gift, and of course the competition is very high. So we need to just niche down a little bit more. This is the season for graduation. So I'm going to scroll down and look to see if there are other words that I can use to be seen. College graduation gift for her, master's degree graduation gift, law school graduation gift, PhD graduation gift. So we're seeing a theme here. This theme to me says that we need to be more specific in what we're designing and what we're making. I would take notes, write down all of the ones that have a good search volume and low competition. Then I would analyze them if you have the pro version. If you don't have the pro version, go to Etsy, put in master's degree graduation gift. See what comes up. That is a great way to get inspiration. Of course, I don't want you to copy anyone, but you can see what's selling by looking for bestsellers, popular now, those type of indicators to tell you that these things are popular. Medical school graduation gifts, college graduation gifts for him, MBA. And then we start to get some that maybe aren't as popular. Some items that I think would be great to start with for graduation season in sublimation are neckties. So we offer 2 neckties here at Conde. We have the satin and the matte. You could do, something really cute with these, put their graduation picture, their school emblem, back to our results over here. We could put, the letters of their degree on it, whether it's a PhD or an MBA, there's just a whole bunch of possibilities with the tie. And also ties are something that people will give as a graduation present for your new career. Congratulations, you've graduated. Now you need some professional attire to wear to your new job. So I like this option. Another option for graduation gifts are pins. So I know that in nursing school and some other medical professions, there are pinning ceremonies. And so you may get a pin that has your letters, LPN, RN, BSN, all the different letters. But this can also be a pin that is that you give away. Maybe all of your family members have your picture on the pin with your graduation date. So these could be favors. They could be for your classmates. This is a good option. Pennants. This is definitely a nice one. As a keepsake, you could, put pictures of them, the year they graduated, whether you're waving these in the stands or given as a keepsake. Pennant is definitely a great graduation gift. And lastly, phone stands, maybe something nice for their new job that you could offer. Now, I did search a few of these, and I will give you a list of some of the bigger niches that I was able to find. Lawyer gift, congratulation gift, PhD graduation gift, MBA graduation gift, police academy graduation gift, nurse pin, medical student gift. So there's just so much out there. I want to remind you guys to do multiple listings. You want to, the listings are 20 cents a piece, but you want to try to put as many lines out there as you can. So you may get a tie and do our tie here and make 20 listings with it. You could make a lawyer tie, a PhD tie, MBA, police academy. You know, you can take one product, and the joy of sublimation, you don't have to pre-make these before they sell. I'm really excited about the graduation niche, and I hope that you guys find success with your sublimation products and the helpful tool of eRank. My name is Sam. I look forward to working with you. My extension here is 211.